Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. In today's food review video, we are going to be trying a vegetarian meal from Good to Go. It is the Cuban rice bowl, proudly made in Maine. Last week's video, there was a comment requesting a vegan meal, but in my stockpile, I only had a vegetarian, so we are going to give this one a try this week. It requires a little less than 1 1/4 cup of water, and it sits for 12 minutes. So let's take a look at what we have inside. This is what we have. I'm gonna get my water boiling, put it in here, let it sit, and then we will come back shortly before it is ready to also try something I saw in the store this week, some banana dipped chewy banana bites. Peanut butter banana bites. This looks delicious. This could be a potential backpacking hiking meal. I thought that this would be a great addition to this week's Friday food review. And we also have, which should most likely be straight vegan, are some of these pickle freezer pops. Pickle-Ice, refresh and rehydrate. You can eat them frozen or unfrozen. I have these frozen. I got these in New Mexico when I traveled over the winter, and I have yet to try them, so why not? I have heard that pickle juice helps with leg cramps. Is that right? Does anybody drink pickle juice for that reason? The brand is Van Holten's. And then we will come back and see what this week's drink is going to be. We have just a few minutes left until our dehydrated meal is ready. So let's give these additional snacks a try. We'll start with the frozen pickle pop. Not super frozen anymore, but still a little frozen. It smells like pickles, dill pickles. My preference is dill pickles, are dill pickles. Definite pickle flavor. I think it's really good. You know those giant pickles you can get at gas stations? Or even Walmart or grocery stores? Sometimes those taste weird to me, but this tastes like the pickles that I like to get that are here in Utah. I like this. And if this is something that helps with cramps, then this might be a good option to bring along hiking or backpacking. Flavored freeze pop. Pickle-Ice flavored freeze pop. No sugar. I like that actually. 0 calories. 320 milligrams of sodium. We've got some calcium, magnesium, and potassium as well. Okay. We'll set that over there. Let's cleanse our palate. Come on now. Come on now. Get up there. It's so dark out here. Are there any bears behind me? No? Okay, good. This week's drink is dark berry. Dr. Pepper. I love Dr. Pepper. 0 sugar, this one is. Let's crack her open. Smells good. You can smell the sweet berry flavor right away. Yeah, it tastes very fruity for being a Dr. Pepper. It's pretty good. Not my favorite. I probably wouldn't buy it again, but I would drink it if it were in a cooler that somebody brought. So let's give these a try. I am excited about these. Holy peanut butter, this is bananas. Smells like bananas. And our time is up for our meal. These are big. Really big. Let's try. I definitely taste the bananas. I wish I tasted more of the peanut butter. It's there a little bit, but definitely bananas. One serving is 1.4 ounces for 180 calories. They're okay. Would I seek these out? No, I wouldn't. But if I was looking for a somewhat healthy snack for a road trip or something, I would pick these up. And now for our dehydrated meal. When I put the water in this, it felt really, really soupy. Like I did not need that much water. It did thicken up a bit, but I think I should have used less water. It's kind of hard to know with these dehydrated meals. The water situation is all over the place. Ew. There's a bug there. Oh, it flew away. Just turn it on this side. Hot bag. Initial thought is that I have had throw up that looked like that. I think the no-see-ums are out. You can't see them. It tastes pretty good. It's really not, I don't know, it's not super flavorful. I'm kind of actually picking up a tangy flavor. There's a tiny bit of spice. Aside from the texture, I don't really taste the beans or the rice. But it's pretty good. I would add some Cholula to this and some tortillas with this. And then we would be in business. Plenty of salt. Yeah, it's a little tangy, a little spicy. Tastes a little bit like that green enchilada sauce. Am I getting bitten? But it's not bad. Yeah, I will be finishing that bag, but I will be adding some Cholula to it. So, let me know if you've tried any of these snacks. Are you interested in the Pickle-Ice Pops? Have you tried the drink? If there are any meals or snacks or food that you would like me to try and you want to send them to me, you can check the description for my P.O. box. I'd love to hear what you think about this meal and these food options. And I thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.